Welcome back, Sean here with another adventure from the paradise of Ninh Binh, Vietnam. So we're going to do the Trang An boat tour today. Paradise Adventures, we're all about going on amazing adventures in unbelievable locations. And we're on a mission to find your next adventure in paradise. There's 3 things you can do to help. Let us know when you want to go in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. It lets you know when the next video comes out. It's free and it helps YouTube find more viewers. The third is use our links below. We've got links to travel insurance, links you can use to book your next adventure or tour, as well as traveler visa debit card. And there's also a link to buy us a beer. All the money we earn goes towards the next adventure. Let's get to it. Here we are at the Trang An boat tour. We're going to be doing Route 3. Alright, so as you're just going through and you've got someone rowing along the way, it is quite tranquil and peaceful. So rather than have me talking through the video, I'm just going to be quiet and show you guys the experience. Alright, this is the entrance. Let's do it. So that was the Trang An boat tour. You can actually book your Nimbin tours through Klook and get your guide. I do have links for both in the description below. They both offer amazing deals from time to time, so check them out, find yourself a good deal. We also get a small payment if you use our links, so it's win-win. All right, let's do it. At Paradise Adventures, we're all about going on amazing adventures in unbelievable locations. If that is something you like, then hit the like, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on a video, because we've got a lot of good stuff coming